Hey everyone, welcome back. Lately, my iPhone XR is getting slower and slower. I want to hard reset it so that it could be more smooth to use. But how can I hard reset cleanly without any problem? Luckily, I found 3 methods that can hard reset my iPhone XR cleanly without any problem. You can follow the video. Do remember to back up your iPhone XR first. If you don't need to backup, then just go ahead. Method 1. Hard reset with settings. On your iPhone, tap Settings. Tap General. Scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings. Tap Continue, tap Erase iPhone. Then it will start reset your iPhone. You need to wait for it finish, and then your iPhone will be hard reset completely. If you prefer to use software to hard reset your iPhone, I recommend you use Method 2. Method 2. Hard reset with ReiBoot. This is a third-party tool that contains repair, reset, and one-click exit or enter recovery mode function. It supports both Mac and Windows. Go check the download link in the description and download it. Once you finish download, open ReiBoot. And then connect your iPhone to a PC or Mac. Go back to ReiBoot and click Reset Device option. Choose Factory Reset. Here we'll require download the firmware that match your iPhone. Just click Download and then be patient. Wait for the download complete. It won't be long. Then click Start Reset. ReiBoot will start hard reset your iPhone. This process might take some time. Be patient and wait for the hard reset complete. Remember, do not disconnect your iPhone during the process. This is important. Then it is done. Your iPhone is hard reset complete. I will skip these settings. Now my iPhone XR is good as new, and I can access it without any problem. Go give it a try. Method 3. Hard reset with iTunes. Hard reset with iTunes could need more time than Method 2. Open iTunes. Connect your iPhone to PC or Mac. Click the Restore option and agree on all those agreements. It will start download. Wait for it. When the download complete, it will start hard reset your iPhone. If you are not comfortable with using iTunes, I still recommend you the first and second way to hard reset your iPhone. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods. I will be grateful if you subscribe. Stay tuned for our next videos.